Welcome to Food with Skew. Today's recipe is chicken stream roast. Let's start making it. Take 1 kilogram chicken. First wash it, then cut like this. Add lemon juice. Adding 5-6 tsp of yogurt. Add fresh cream 4 to 5 tsp. Mix it well. Adding 1 tsp mustard powder. If you have mustard paste, also use it. Add fresh ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Shan tikka masala according your taste. Adding salt 1 tsp, turmeric 1 tsp. Add 1 tsp black pepper, 1 tsp garam masala. Add chicken into this batters and mix it with your hands. Mix it well nicely, all the ingredients and spices. Wrap it with cling wrap. Take oven tray and spread aluminum foil. Put all chicken in this sheet and fold it like this. Fold all the edges. Put into the oven for 1.5 hours on 180 degrees. Our chicken steam roast is ready to eat. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe Food with Skew.